Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy ruffled flower. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. Double knitting yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, or any size yarn and any size hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2. Make 10 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Go ahead and make 10 double crochet in the ring. Slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. Working in the front side of the stitch only, make 5 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All the way around. Okay, worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first double crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Pull the petals forward. Now we're going to work into the back loops of all those stitches. So slip stitch into the back loop. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 5 triple crochet in each loop all the way around. For triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. You're going to make 5 in each of these stitches. So 1 more. So this is number 2. Okay, like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked it all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the first triple crochet and fasten off. And now you can sew a button in the center, and there's your finished flower. I hope you enjoyed this video.